how to find and see your login activity on your account on Instagram PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see your login activity on your Instagram on PC. So all what you have to do is go to Instagram. This is the home page. Now go to the top, click on your profile picture and go to settings. After you go to settings, you will find a lot of settings right here. Now click on login activity and you will find your IP address and many other options like city and a lot of things. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.